Here I have Porsche Panamera 4S, and let me show you how to open the garage door opener, and let me show you what you can do in these settings. Alright, so at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you can navigate by using the left bar, scroll down here to select car. Under car, you've got here a few things that you can change, that you can customize. Let's select here the vehicle. And under vehicle you can scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose here garage door opener. So as you can see, this is the system of garage door opener. It's also called as HomeLink. It allows you to program your car to open your garage door or electric gate, so you don't need to use the separate remote. You can choose here configure buttons, and under configure buttons you've got information where the buttons are located. As you can see, it's located right here, so you can configure the 3 buttons right here. Of course, you need to have the transmitter to do this. You can have the information here. You can also go back and select here synchronize all buttons. As you can see right here, this is the special setup for rolling code system. Many modern garage doors use a rolling code for security. The code changes every time you use it, so you can use this option if the basic configuration doesn't work. It synchronizes the car's computer with garage door motors learn button. You can also choose here delete button assignment, the third option. This is like a system reset. This clears all saved remote signals. You should use this if you sell the car or if you made a mistake during and want to start over from the scratch. Alright, you can also here read information about the system. You've got here the version information. This shows the technical version of the HomeLink software installed in your car. It is most used by mechanics if the system is having trouble connecting to a specific brand of garage opener. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.